Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here today, and today we're going to be changing the air filter as well as cleaning the throttle body today. If you want to do that on this 2008 Mini Cooper, 2009, sorry, what you're going to end up doing is, if you feel here, there is a compression tab, squeeze it, and then you're going to wiggle right here. This will come out. Put it off to the side, be very careful, this is your MAF sensor. First thing you're going to do is just unscrew that screw. As you can see, mine is already partially unscrewed. Up here, you're going to want to unscrew this one. And then there's another one down here. Do not try to pull these screws completely out. They should just loosen off and then they'll sit in there. The reason why they do that is so that way they don't fall down into the engine bay. And then one up here. Now, you can do a couple different things. You could try to lift this and try and pull the air filter out, which, you know what, if you want to do that, go ahead. I don't like to do that though. I like to first take this one, 10 mil, loosen this out. Again, if this one comes all the way out, yep, it does. No, it doesn't. Perfect, so it's just like this. After you get this one out, good thing to do, loosen off this clamp. The reason why is it's going to allow us to remove the air filter housing, which makes you get a way better seal. So now you work this off, leave it like that. If you see any dust or dirt in here, you're in trouble. You should not see any dust or dirt in here. That's why we don't. The reason why is that's what you're filtering out. Now go ahead and just give this a wiggle and lift it out. There's your air filter. This should be stopping all the gunk from coming in. This side should be clean. This side, as you can see, is a little more dirty. This actually isn't that bad. This is pretty clean right now. This is going to be dirty in here. Don't worry about that. If you see any leaves in here, go ahead and pluck those out because you don't want leaves in here. If you see a dead rat in there, that's even worse. So just, like I said, keep that area nice and clean, but don't be shocked. That area can be dirty because that's the area coming in. If there's quite a bit of sediment in here, take a vacuum cleaner, clean that out. Don't let anything get into here. What I'm going to be doing from this point is, you would take, if you're just replacing your air filter, go ahead and throw that back in there. And then from there, what you would do is just put it back on here, tighten your 4 screws and the 5th, and then go ahead and put this on and plug that back in. Basically watch the video in reverse. But I'm going to be cleaning the throttle body because it's never been done on this one before. So next thing that I'm going to be doing is coming down here, and I'm going to be loosening this up. So give me 1 second, I'll show you how to do that. So if you're going to clean your throttle body as well, right here, you'll see another 7 mil clip right here, right beside the box. Go ahead and loosen this out. Just loosen that clamp up. Trust me, it's worth it. After you've done it enough, you should be able to just wiggle this right out. I don't think I'm quite there yet, but see that? That's what you're loosening, and just be careful of that sensor. So if you have push to start, don't put your foot on the brake, press the start button. Perfect, you'll hear it go like it's gonna start, and then go ahead and press the gas pedal. So, as you can see here now, go ahead and press the gas pedal. Boom. Give it a sec, release it. As you can see, when he releases it, it opens for a second. And we're gonna go ahead, and in that window, we're gonna shoot in there. And you're just gonna take your throttle body cleaner like so. See, it just closed on me. So go ahead, press the gas again, and then release. And what this is gonna do, try not to breathe it in. Just loosen that stuff up. Okay, go ahead and press. At this point, if you want to, you can clean the butterfly plate. I can't really show you, let's see. Can I? So see that butterfly plate? That's what you're doing. You're cleaning the butterfly plate and you're cleaning the surrounding area. So if there's any carbon buildup or buildup of any sort, it's gonna clean up and it'll give you better throttle movement. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's way cleaner now. You can see I've moved some of the carbon around. So I'm gonna go ahead with a rag now. And again, you have to time this. You know, you should know your timing by now. Like I said, you'll press the gas pedal, you'll release it, count the first time how long it takes to shut. And yeah, just make sure you don't get your fingers caught in there, a rag caught there in there or anything. So what we're gonna do next is I'm gonna just take a rag now and wipe up what I can and shoot a little bit more throttle body cleaner in there just to make sure we're nice and polished up. I'm gonna call that clean. It looks nice, shiny, and spotless now. It was way worse than before and been able to clean it up quite nicely. From this point, let's slide that intake coupler back on, which is that tube right here we took off, and let's tighten up that 7mm. Also turn your car off. When you first turn it on after using combustion cleaner, don't be shocked. It might take an extra couple turns, but it will start. I didn't show you how to throw it all back together because it's pretty thorough and pretty easy with what I showed before. All you got to do is tighten that coupler down there, slap the plastic back on after you put your filter in, put in the 4 screws, tighten the coupler, slide the plug in, and put the 10mm back in. That's it. Well guys, that's about it. Thanks again for watching. Press like if the video helped you out, and subscribe for more. You'll probably see some more videos on this Mini. We do want to do a cold air intake one of these days, and of course there's a couple other videos that are going to be coming up. Thanks again for watching. Press like if it helped you out, and subscribe for more.